Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most innovative products for young artists, the best inflatable easel for Kids Washable. If you're looking for a way to foster creativity outdoors, this might just be the perfect addition to your arsenal of kids' activities. This inflatable easel from Generic is designed with durability and convenience in mind. Made from high-quality materials, it's not only sturdy but also washable, making cleanup a breeze after those messy art sessions. What sets it apart is its 3-in-1 design, offering a versatile paint and play experience that keeps kids engaged for hours. Let's talk features. Firstly, it's incredibly portable. You can deflate it for easy storage or transport, making it ideal for picnics, playdates, or even just in your backyard. The built-in tray is a fantastic addition, keeping all the art supplies neatly organized. Whether it's paint, brushes, or markers, everything is within reach. And speaking of supplies, this easel comes fully equipped with everything your little artist needs to get started right away. From a sticky easel pad to paint, sponges, replacement canvases, and a paintbrush. It's a comprehensive set that encourages artistic expression and imaginative play. In terms of user experience, parents love how easy it is to set up and clean. The materials are child-friendly and robust, ensuring it can withstand energetic use by kids. The 3-in-1 functionality means it's not just for painting. You can use it for drawing or even playing with sticky notes, adding to its versatility. To wrap up, the best inflatable easel for Kids Washable by Generic is a standout choice for families looking to encourage outdoor creativity. It combines durability with convenience and offers a rich assortment of art supplies to spark your child's imagination. Whether for birthdays, holidays, or simply sunny afternoons, this easel promises hours of artistic enjoyment for young ones. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insights into the latest and greatest products. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy painting!